Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Asnith. Today I went ahead and played with this palette from NYX. I was so excited about this because I was supposed to get this for Christmas, but my husband went ahead and let me get it early. This is the La Casa de Papel palette. It is a color palette from NYX. It's not listed as an eyeshadow palette, and I will get into the reasons why here in a moment. This is what the inside of the palette looks like, and I think it is absolutely beautiful. You can see where it's in collaboration with Money Heist on Netflix, which I still need to watch. I think it is an absolutely stunning palette. The only thing that I wish about this palette is that a lot of the mattes are not meant for your eyes. They're only meant for your face and body. So that kind of threw me off a little bit. Like, a lot of the matte shades are not meant for eyes. I think it was $43 after tax. I really wish that more of the matte shades were eye safe. So yeah. With that being said, the shimmers are absolutely beautiful. I love the way that this look turned out. Obviously, I've played with the greens and I was not disappointed. Super cute palette. I'm really excited to keep playing with this and see what other looks I can come up with. So with that being said, we went to the movies last night and saw Spider-Man. I won't give out any spoilers, but I will say I definitely won a bet between me and my husband. That was really exciting. I was definitely a little stressed out because I haven't been like in a confined space like that with people in a long time, but it was worth it. The movie was amazing. I just wore my mask the whole time and yeah, it was a good time. So in my waterline, I did use this Essence pencil. It is in the shade I Have a Green. I also got to try out this Infallible Flicks eyeliner. It is from the Netherlands, so I can't pronounce it, so I'm really sorry about that, but this is a really pretty liquid eyeliner. Thank you, Madeline, for sending this, getting to try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. I only got about 5 hours of sleep last night, so I'm really tired and I'm having a hard time getting my words out. I keep stumbling over everything I'm saying, so if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. What did you think? You think you're gonna try and pick up this palette, or do you think you're gonna try and get it as a gift for someone? It is a really pretty palette. My only like downfall is that a lot of the matte shades are not meant for your eyes, so that really threw me off. With that being said, I do think that the look turned out really pretty. I'm really happy with it, so I'm excited to play with this palette more and see what I can come up with. As I said at the beginning, I've only gotten about 5 or 6 hours of sleep, so I'm really tired and I'm having a hard time getting my words out right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to subscribe so you can see future videos. I'll be posting it multiple times a week on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.